Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a comparison video for you guys. So I have here the Louis Vuitton. This is the old model. Actually, this is the Louis Vuitton Pochette accessoire. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but yeah, this is the older version, and we have here the mini Pochette accessory. So I'm gonna be comparing these two, since this two has been very hard to find lately, and it's kind of like on demand right now. I don't know why, but yeah, what I have right now is the old version of the Pochette accessories. The new one, I believe, has longer strap. I mentioned that on my previous video. They have a longer strap and then thick strap. Now for the old version, it's still thin. And like I mentioned on my latest video, which is my SLG collection, I got this on a Instagram account, which is, he is from Japan. And if you are interested on any vintage bags or any bags that Louis Vuitton already discontinued, he may have it there. So just go to his Instagram account. I will leave it on my description box below if you guys are interested. I got this bag for, I believe, $200 something. I'm not sure like the exact price, but yeah, it's still pretty much actually in great condition. The only thing is that kind of like not bother, but like worry me is the thin strap. So that's all it. But you know, I use this bag as well, almost like that. I would not say every day, but when I just go for a quick running errands, and if I don't have to wear like big bags. And if you guys know me by now, I love mini bags, small bags. So let's just start with this Louis Vuitton accessories. And also, correct me if I'm wrong, the new version of these bag has a slit inside. So yeah, and I don't know if they're changing the sizes of the the newer version. And yeah, so this is mine, and the older version has no slit at all. It's just like nothing in there. So anyways, let's just start. So I would use this bag as a, if I go to Walmart, BJ's, or any grocery store, I would like use this bag. I like this because I can use this as a shoulder bag, like this shoulder bag. And then I purchased a strap from Amazon, and I do that as well. Is I just clip the strap on here on both sides and make it as like a how do you call it, sling bag. So with this bag, it kind of fits quite a lot. If you really think about it, this mini Pochette is really small than the actual the actual Pochette. So this is the comparison of the height right there, and then the side. So this one is in the Mayor Eben print, and this one is monogram print. So I will leave, I'm gonna put the screen sizes with the mini Pochette and also with the Pochette accessories. So with this one, I can fit quite a lot. It can actually fit the mini Pochette as well inside. And then okay, so with these, I can put my keys in here. Sometimes I will do this, and actually sometimes if I have this the strap, I put my key and insert it here in the side, and like this. Just my sometimes I'll do that. Most of the times, if I don't carry a lot of essentials, I'll just put it inside. But sometimes I always do this as well, especially if I have the strap or like the sling. So if you don't want to do that, then you can put this key or whatever you have in here. You gotta have, of course, alcohol or hand sanitizer everywhere you go now. And I have my lip. This is from Vaseline. This is just to make my lips hydrated. And if whatever I'm using for the lipstick that day, I will also bring. And phone charger, of course. I'll put this here, right here. And also, since it's been sunny and it's summer, I have my sunglasses, and I can put it here. I can also put my iPhone XX Max phone here. And I have this brush for my eyelashes, so I put it here. And also my sunglasses, well, mostly I'll just like use them. An extra pair of scrunchies. So that's the bag look like inside. All right, so the bag's gonna ending up looking like this, like the zipper, a little bit like chunky or bulky. And here's the bag with all of my essentials, or like my everyday stuff. Quite fits a lot here, and it's a little bit heavy. And then I'll just, you know, use it as a shoulder bag. And I seen like a lot of Instagram influencers do that, and I think they prefer the longer strap. It's just much easier. Even me, I feel like if the older version has a longer strap, that would be like nicer and easier, but it actually still fits in my shoulder. The difference between this one and the mini pochette is the mini pochette, for me, because my shoulder is a little bit bigger, I cannot like put it on my shoulder, so I have to use this as a clutch, not clutch, but as a wristlet. So I will unhook this and put it here. I'll just use it as a wristlet. So as the regular pochette, I can actually use it as a wristlet as well, but it would be heavier, especially if I have all this stuff in here. So you can use it as a wristlet as well. But the only thing that I'm afraid of is the leather, like the leather here, that it will probably break soon, because as you guys can see, it's old. So I would use this as just a shoulder strap, or put like I said, the strap that I got from Amazon. So that is the pochette right here, 360 view. So now let's move on with the mini pochette. So you guys, if up to you, I'm just showing you your preference or your choice, that if you are interested in purchasing the new one. And like I said, I'm not pretty much sure about the sizes. I don't know if they changed the sizes, the height wise and the width wise, with the older version with the new one. I'm just probably gonna look it up, and I will tell you guys in the comment section down below. But if you are interested into the older version, like the one that I have, and there's actually like quite a lot of store, like Instagram store Instagram website, like a lot of vintage. I see like a lot of people buying like the vintage one rather than the new ones, but the new ones are actually expensive. They're like almost 600 something, because Louis Vuitton has been increasing their price. I don't know how many times now in a year. I lost count. Like even the mini pochette was, I believe, 500 something. They increased it to $15 more, which is, I don't know why they do that. I don't know. I really don't know why they do that. But this is the mini pochette, all the versions. So let me just take this out, all this stuff out. And the only thing about this bag, I use this to go to Target. I like going to Target with this bag because I get so much compliment. And I mean, even this one too, but I use this just if I go there and just buy some stuff, like random stuff that I don't really need, or like a quick Target run. So here is the mini pochette. So the only thing about this bag is it doesn't quite fit a lot like the pochette accessories. As you guys can see the difference right there. So this one, my phone would not fit in this one, like my XX Max. It would not fit at all, like not fit at all. So the only thing that I can put in here is my key. I have my keys in here. I have my alcohol in here. So basically just your regular essential, like not too much. I have my lip balm here. Sometimes I get the smaller lip balm. Lip balm here, and then sometimes I bring my Chanel hand lotion here. so tiny, so I like to put it here sometimes. And then what else can I fit in here? My lipstick, of course. And you guys, that's really about it. Maybe extra scrunchies. This is extra scrunchies too, right here. So that's all it that I can fit in this little small bag right there. So like I said, I will use this as a like wristlet, or I'll use it as a handheld. I cannot put my sunglasses in here at all, so I'll just use it like this, or I'll use it like this. So I can never put this on my shoulder because this little gold details, or like this little gold strap, is not long enough. Maybe if you're probably like skinnier than me, maybe you can, but yeah, you can. I cannot use this as a shoulder bag. So that's for the mini pochette accessories. So the interior of the Demer Eben mini pochette is red, so I try my best to be very careful of what to put in here, because that will kind of ruin if I probably, you know, open lipstick or any lotion. That's gonna be, it will ruin my bag. So that's the mini pochette, you guys. And I haven't tried to use this to use my other sling to make this as like a sling bag, because it's just way too tiny for a sling bag. I mean, maybe I can, maybe, you know, not, but I'm probably gonna try to do that, like a sling bag. I will use like my sling strap that I got, like I said, from Amazon. So yeah, this is the comparison. So for the mini pochette, they have the monogram, azure, and of course the mirror band. Now for the new ones, I only see the azure. I don't see the mirror Eben print on the new ones, but on the guy that I purchased this with, I saw the azure, like the older version as well, but I haven't really seen the mirror Eben version of the mini pochette accessories. I don't know why Louis Vuitton probably discontinued it. I don't know, but let me know why Louis Vuitton is not selling the mirror Eben print. Maybe if they do, I'll probably buy like the new version. But yeah, this is all, you guys. That is all for today's video. And if you guys are interested, you know, in purchasing your new Louis Vuitton, like if you are like don't know what to get, so I hope this video will help you guys a lot. And if you have other questions, comment down below. I will, you know, answer that for you guys. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.